Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a beautiful time. Today I'll be showing you guys how to insert this ring in this particular placket. If you haven't seen the video of how to make a double placket, I have a video on that in the channel. I'll try and put a link in the description below. And most question I get on that video is that how to insert an under collar. It's just very simple. Just put your under collar and stitch it on top of it. Either way, it's just simple. You can just stitch that side and hold your under collar down and make your press button on it. Simple, right? So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do this step by step. It's a very simple and very mature placket. However, to get these rings, you can get it from those that sell maybe like leather material, like shoe materials and simple like that. This is just a dashiki outfit, and I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So basically, if you take a closer look at this, I already fixed the neck and already fixed everything. But if you are to construct this from the beginning, you will be fixing your lapel like straight, then folding your that ring holder, right? But here I already fixed my lapel, and I will advise you not to do it like this. The reason why I did this because I don't have the ring earlier, and I wanted to like finish up with the thread itself, with the outfit. But now I got the ring and I decided to make a video about it. So just input it. I will just fold 1 inch inside of the at the hem of the placket itself, so that I'll be able to like hold it. So I'm going to stitch from the beginning of the stitch at the side, then I'm going to make a curve. On the second one also, I'm going to do the same thing. And I advise you guys not to do this after. Make sure when you're doing your clothes, you'll be fixing your ring while you're making your placket. But here, I just have to follow this process, and I have to show you guys how to do this. So let's go straight to the sewing machine and fix that step by step. So at this side, if you're stitching your lapel straight, if you're just like fixing your placket, you'll be like stitching it straight. But here I'll be continuing the stitch from the particular place in which it ended before. Make sure your hand is straight while you do this. Make sure your hand is very straight. Make sure you are stitching at the edge of the fabric itself, and make sure you are stitching the edge, that one that we put inside, the 1 inch in which we fold inside. Make sure you push it inside and it is not obvious on the placket itself. That is very important. So at this place, you'll be making a straight stitch in order to just hold it down. Okay, and you're going to make a straight stitch at that side also. You can see that. Very simple. You can see what we have, how clean the edge is. You can see that. My camera is not focused. Let me try and make it focus. Okay, I believe you can see that. You can see how smooth that is. You're going to give it a good ironing after you fix that. So you can see what we have. You can see how smooth that is. So I'm going to do this one also. Just fold it inside. Make sure the fabric is relaxed, and make sure you're pushing in all the fold, the 1 inches in which we fold, the 1 inch we fold inside. Make sure you're pushing it inside before you make your stitch, just like that. You can see that. Make sure there's no gathers under your stitch when you're doing that, because that's the front in which people will be looking at when they're looking at your outfit. So it is very important that there's no gathers right there. So make your stitch straight. Yeah, then cuff it and close your stitch. So that's what we're going to have. It's very simple process. Very simple. So take your time to give it an ironing from the back. That's very important, and trim out all the thread. So the very first thing you're going to do is iron it from the back, like from the inside, from the wrong side of the fabric. And this is what we are going to have. So this is the result of what you're going to have. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumb up, and if you're here to subscribe to the channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Peace and enjoy yourself.